Yeah, once again, Yema, Akrefuni na Alpha Badba Asantima TV so. Yeah, the Asantima Sports and the Babas Mo Asantima TV so na Yema TF1 Akrefuni na Alpha View at the Asantima TV so send me can kind of. Na Juma Day we started Monday ya HM ya and started Juma Day. Yeah, the bed bro de bia a Juada and ya wada Mondays and Tuesdays. Oko Facebook and Oko YouTube. And also call IG, and also call Twitter, Asantima TV. The be am kase enye person nkunya. O subscribe you now I like it. Now I share e dem onia. You are no leave comments. Comment ne dey ye hu bebere wo ho. Ye benya adaje and then ye be pensin comment no and ye be kan comment ni nyina ma no. E wo ba bia wo bia na be hye wa enyi wo fidie ni fu aka ho saa ekọ. E na de bia me kase say adwuma diwi ye se agoro e be ye wo da ne fria no pa and ifiri botom me de me kan say ifiri botom. Ekuo anase business anase obi bia wa ye crowd say opese o sponsor program yi o share Asantima yi programs a ye wo ni nyina wo online na enye asenketo akora so opese o be sponsor ya number na chegu o screen ase no eno an say o afre o fra the boss the man himself the star boy Mr. Parton obeje eno akasa fefefe ye promotion amagya de toning na oba o frepe ye betete so ya tete bibia so bibia ye fo e wa Asantima TV so nene answer na meko me pounded for today so no ma mi di kan na kwaba boss me mo kwaba
yeah me
na apo me de
oh ne me de boko pa ho ye
se bibia boko
ne me de bibia boko pa
ma min kai etiefo ne akwefo nyina se me ni Wizzy the White Angels ewo Kenya se Abranti we agudie mu de enye betu the team the White Angels from under 12 to under 20 on the team wura and what team so call ho na hwem branch no ball mo ba enya asem ketwa sanso na ko wini ba obia e ma no so obia ma no so say Abranti we the first course ne de what you say and on never come ho am ye di dwumadi na me sha se ma me fa story ka clear bi ba ko me bi ntu oni and na ye nyina nim say Europa League no eba so round of 16 eba so ema Inter Milan echi Getafe echo mo kamienu ema Getafe entini antimu bi kra Abranti friend Lukaku Manchester United o mo reject no on the say goal no edema Inter Milan sanso na Christian Eriksen Tottenham for reject no ono so the say second goal no edema Inter Milan ntisi Inter Milan Conte and then branch no o ma qualify equal round 8 and na the be friend quarter finals no ho no ma qualify for sanso na Manchester United Old Trafford o mo tena ase eche lax e so o mo ka mienu e mo mutimi ba ko na ehwe aggregate na 7-1 Lingard in the first goal at Manchester United 57th minute and Lingard said and Masha the French guy the French boy on also 88 minutes and also be share second goal no at Manchester United into fifi binding Captain Barbosa Harry Potter team Manchester United ma qualify e Europa League no mo call round of 8 and I said the friend quarter final no e ho eso na mo call and no say ma if Europa League no ba no nene yanko motwetwe no ye best start if transfer nsem ni na transfer nsem no enya sanketwa eniema koso papa e wo transfer nsem ni say United for ne dey assassin we no with maka say amura ho say commentate free Borussia Dortmund for aso ye ba e German no amuso omu player friend Jordan Sancho sa brantie no omu man squad and omu squad da omu do omu kusi aka nyame adoma 2020-2021 season no ba brantie friend Jordan Sancho no wakasa squad no training was starting training sa so na Jack Grealish unse betutu dia say Manchester United epasa Aston Villa for Abranti so me pm e Old Trafford no be see akan Manchester United e be ye boja e man kofo bi send message okuru mu aka say Chelsea for no mundue na enya Bruno Fernandes Pogba ho ato no Martinelli ho ato no e na Fred eso ahiti into Jack Grealish and Sancho be kan ho a enya sanketo wetin mo kra na ntia e free Aston Villa for aso ye ba ne say Abranti e free Jack Grealish no wasapo piem e wa Aston Villa for aso ya ono omu yi training esika na dan so sika botwe 80 million euros and then that Abranti friend Jack Grealish na dan abeti so say Manchester United for emetua say sika we ni nsem bia ye behwehwe mu aka ama mosomate nya ye mpesepese mu ye wi besi fie abaya ye man mu ha Ghana ye football no say mka kire say Asantima Sports de enye ade say ɛna Ghana bɛhyɛ goal ɛna player we kɔtɔkɔfoɔ kɔtɔ mediama kɔtɔkɔfoɔ kɔtɔ mediama player bi ana kɔtɔkɔfoɔ kɔtɔ Hearts of Oak player bi dabi yɛde deɛ nti a yɛ a Ghana league no ɛbɛkɔ so nneɛma ama mmorɔfo no ana North African countries no ebi te sɛ Al TP Mazembe ɔmɔdi kan wɔ adeɛ no yɛfrɛ no football no ana agudie no yɛfrɛ no football no ɔmɔdi kan agya yɛ no saa nsɛm wi ɛna yɛbɛhwehwɛ mu nti mesrɛ wɔ a mɛdi kan aka kyerɛ sɛ ɛnyi wɔ fidie ne mfa ha okɔ YouTube okɔ Facebook okɔ IG ana okɔ Twitter ɛyɛ Asanteman TV Asanteman Sports o subscribe no like no review comments no share ama onia bra na agudie no ho ɛyɛ easy na yɛ kama sɛnea yɛ nyina yɛ pɛ no na metwa me ho aba metwa me ho ba pɛ mekɔ abrantie yi a ɛnya no pa me ne twetwe nkɔmɔ no easy ɛne amanfo frɛ no na ɛba board mu anase agu kansie mu a yɛfrɛ no Mr. Ancelotti so what Ancelotti then time coach you know born home modern pa saa so na abrantie ɔbɔn ho modern oh football ni me ba sisi a yɛma ahwɛfoɔ ne atiefo nyinaa kɔ aba ka kyerɛ sɛ metwa me ho bɛsisi na makɔ Mr. Ancelotti so na yɛatwetwe nkɔmmɔ na Mr. Ancelotti mɛsa mo akɔ aba bio bibi abɔkɔ deɛ
nyɛ mɛde bɔkɔ paa
yɛda twɛgya nkɔmmɔ nkɔmmɔ ase ɛna yɛbɛka sɛ yɛmo akɔ aba afei na waba game ne mu yɛagye so fɛfɛɛfɛ
say coming with fire
yes me Judy say yes me Judy say you are no wait man na yen semre no yen ko yen sem so anase nsem an egu akono so aye beto chon ko o football nim anase in the world of sports latest one aye dey brown na beto to just say Manchester United Ole Gunnar Solskjaer one ne branch ya omo player every Borussia Dortmund player friend Jordan Sancho amna ko kusi akan na player if Manchester City ene kopi mo Borussia Dortmund o German ene kusi akan ma o na ebe mu say United for say omo person mu say nya player we bio so me pm e wo Manchester United sa so na Jack Grealish Aston Villa for man omo talisman no United for so kodi na chi ni nyina Borussia Dortmund say for say enye no correct Jordan Sancho e come squad no sa so na Jack Grealish so Aston Villa or return at pre-season training we na sanse wi o jene say
medi kama ahwefo na tiefo nyina akwaba na mi hye bia so hwe me na mi fa konye so anda eye mi sofo Asamoah Francis a owo adwumam I follow me to heaven sorry no na mi start pass as na my phone so enchan komo na mi an ma me efia poma sanso na eye mi team mi anga sa me White Angels Football Academy team no so no players nyina mi Cheobia Van Dijk Mashane umaba Kenya ye ban samu so no Man U ona sa Manchester United transfers no one samu no tawsha Abrante fan Jadon Sancho Manchester United needs Sancho omuhia Abrante ni yepa e san say number 7 jersey na gu ha cha the likes of Ronaldo share play going to me share intimate deliver no omo pese omo de man here dey e hye na oje dey say na me read story bi e wo Germany and ahmachi ye 5 players and a fresh Sancho per day. Lingard, Harry Maguire, Wan-Bissaka, and the likes of the other players. They prefer to say, "Oh my, so many then Omuhian." Then no, you go call into a year bunch of Jadon Sancho, Hunsam Kakra. So the year, and you know, I'm in England, and yes, I ban who on best on side of them. So it's the phrase, you know, a year bunch of Jadon Malik Sancho. You didn't know, didn't like Jadon Malik Sancho. Now, Branche. Na omamene opapa efri Trinidad and Tobago na mo be bo mo sisen bo England kakra mo so mu a dem na omame good Christian aso dem mo fanya bro kwa enti yawo Jadon Sancho 25th March that is 2000 I know 20 years in fear adwinum eti yawo no ewo Gamble that is Greater London Greater London no eti yawo no the age 6 years no go popa no good
Abrante friend
Jadon Sancho o won fiance no go popa na bofo no o mu develop football no from 6 years early years no 6 years no o started training but I say no this is what the buy 40 50 na o sha bobo but o no develop started free asori fie say o mo ko asori a o no a good kiss o na papa asori a then o na den na only player was na friend no Riz Nelson na ko the same church almost the same area na be omo na South London house ni for no Kensington ɔhɔ na ɛtete no Kensington ɛtete no ɔne saa ɛyɛ Reece Nelson sɛ
we no ɛyɛ abrante yɛ fɛ no
Jadon Sancho ne ho asɛ na mekyerɛ ɛna mekyerɛ manfo kaka eti ɔmo de mu anti da ko bi ɔmo kɔ asɔre na ɛyɛ coach bi a na ɔwɔ Watford never Len Hardis na ɔno yɛ under 8 coach ɛfɛ Len Hardis under 8 coach Watford coach eti wo twɛma anti kwan so Sunday school ne yɛka sɛ ɔmo kɔ breaker ɔmo kɔ di agorɔ kɔ do FIFA ball sɛ ɛka sɛ ɔmo kɔ breaker na odi agorɔ do to form na no mo
Jadon Sancho ne ball no anase ne football na start for asɔre dem
asɔre ɔnom no eti ɔmo kɔ asɔre na ya ɔmo kɔ asɔre na ne yɛka sɛ ɔmo kɔ di agorɔ na ɔfa ball na ɔbɔ ball na saa ɔmo na no yɛ fin na ne papa ball fu entina na pampen ball so but ɔmaame yɛ ɔsɛ Sancho the be obi a wotem bia no ona mama se pa they came back home to number fie no it di mo na eye Silent Hardis na Watford under 8 coach no ka say mo be dey oya dey tie ne ye pese ye dey the man ba ya kada mi na wusa bo koye it okọ akada mi kunu say abofo no how o mti be players no kwa o mo do na mo bo say default
Ghana ha dey okọ ball o ma me be ka cho say bra ball na okọ ball no e ya sebi akobofo ball adwuma na akoye no nti wo dey ma but Sancho di o ma me no so na sade ne call say
o ma me pita ne sani fa na o paso kita ne sa wo o mo de ko Watford ho no eti o mo de ko ye no be 2 months time na kwa no ba kan ti say o mo de mo fa ne go no mbobo a on say free bio football say default obi abo ba bia eti o ba ko ne che na o boy sim na o twen na o boy sim sa nti Watford no o under 8 no na o defender Sancho beginning of Sancho no defender eti di mo na ko pie eye Manchester City under 15 na coach bi ne fe no Lee Castle na Gary Taylor na Gary Taylor na youth head coach so one go say my boy 14 years boy Sancho oya dio eti ko hu ma mo and time ko hu ma mo no na ya say ye hu be me find person be fan coach City academy eti eye City academy ne o mo di be go apon so na ya dey timi ko so ma abazin ko pie mo City academy to ko City academy no na sa Gary Taylor na oye youth coach Man City head coach no ka say Argentina Lee Castle odi Sancho able defense but akwa no ni skill and style no or technique no it also unified you know near the bending no say work the left right eti omo twi ye dey ebo mo dey ka say sa dey ni omo mana ya he eti omo ye na ye nkrama that was Everton versus Man City eno mo ko jina omo ko dey in fact obobo pa obo even omo player as your already here friend Leti Ben say credit that be on about the rising star of England the Red Lions ama ohema na dey ajepa Queen Elizabeth yeah eti omo di man crack Sancho under 15 national team or on Sancho sa 16 and 17 omo develop na crack eti there came Joseph Guardiola from Bayern Munich to Bayern na o Sancho no na player like Jadon Sancho Brahim Diaz Spain player na say what Madrid no yeah and for 4D yes they very good and go the person do ba yes nyasa nti onya akonya no mo ko prison bi ko bo kakra sa but go the catch fair office can say Malik Sancho and I'm catch say team na me say no enya dia wo no di ba dey be city team nim te be ya anka onye dey on pe ba bi mfa nko bolu kakra ha branch no wo fit what the soon
o say sa di wi o em say ekoso England pa Mourinho e be Chelsea kwama sa Mohamed Salah Egypt nya branch no o say no Chelsea the Blues for aso ye Emma Mourinho ye sa play bi sa ye hwe Kevin De Bruyne e wo Manchester City on ye starman Man City for Mourinho ye ni bi ana Mohamed Salah ya Mourinho sa ye ni bi ama ne Chelsea tete papai high Emma Chelsea sia Liverpool Salah ya tete Chelsea for Sambo City sia Chelsea Kevin De Bruyne ya esa tete Chelsea for nti sa dey we let make say coaches no as a wo team and a wo football no coaches no eto da player go ha no time anye kakran dey e ma no because of say sisi at United come dey talk Sancho ke Dortmund for si come bon sisi a Sancho City ko nya no pen okay but omo di kan ko ye dey e pa no
uni bi ade won say on 6 March 2017 na ne pompo so no eba no e she parents ne pa e yomo ya pa aso mo kan say senyame do no mo ma wo ba no free England e di omoni kire other country Ghana say team bi omoni debo a omma obe na say o tani team England na say o ko club bi omma Manchester City bio
asema Sancho kan
asema ani father na e she ne pa e she won because some say Man City team no go to la band here ɔde ne ma betim ma betim da akɔso a be yɛ yi ete ba sa no na coach bi so Nice Oginis eti Oginis ya France eti na ɛyɛ coach ya fɛ no Gary Taylor of friend say my boy Sancho be say me Nice our France no boss so be more playing time eti na City request for 4.5 million euros and Nice there be young to small boy I don't know what 60 17 years this amount of money sir inside here near onya botre na bia onya club bia on san fan ko da club ti on ne ko Boavista Portugal on so on send videos but anya yi there come coach with Thomas Tuchel the what you can say PSG ne o live for ya almost any videos man no say the boy is good and e be ya onya the Umbra Dortmund yeah the time na Tuchel Dortmund okoye kakra bobo na ni man ko ye alo ho sem e wo kra be fie kra o break here oba esu sa bo den tam na mako yo semo joko boba me yan
okọ Dortmund okọ start free under 17
okọ Dortmund B wa ko start straight to Dortmund ti obo den kakra sa eti on se na me do bo ni fe na obo ko afọ eti coach na ye fe no eye Michele Favre no coach Dortmund na o Nice na o contact no and na PSG Pam United Emery and PSG ebe fa Thomas Tuchel and as a coach na o series na mo City for the no ma abantia ya fe no coach ya fe no Michele Favre 4.5 now see Nice for so Nice can then time na Tuchel act on free City 8 million euros am na ba Dortmund bobo kinu it wo ba ye no outside to no say and say maybe into ba Dortmund na first coach ya fe Michele Favre say say na ofre Sancho papa ofre papa no ka chen say same say me Dortmund in fact man any je kwa say ku da say ye bia kama bia no so ma coach ya fe no li kasi na coach na youth na ka say akoy we good on first man mo so first man ba o metu ni ska e dey say o mo ye Dembele Henrik Mkhitaryan Aubameyang and the other players now mo ba Dortmund na fe dey o mo timi to mo small amount of money na fe dey huge money and 120 million euros and I money for it.
Yes. Mr. Ancelotti, 120 million euros. And United, Borussia Dortmund, F14. Na membra na Kate here for said Manchester City, our England, matter Bournemouth defender, Nathan Ake, 40 million euros. Sisi a player yi, ade na nia be chire mo. Manchester City for aswe Etihad Stadium, and na one obesi na kan. Pep Guardiola, our manager at the Manchester City. Sisi a mo sika 40 million euros and akwa to sa play. So o meka ho awo na etire wo no hye between ye hwe City. O ma tire o hwe Otamendi, o hwe John Stones, bra. Enkofo no sisi a ya gen ama United for akwa to Bournemouth for play. Yes, easy yan kwa so.
Enti no abante fellow Jadon Sancho no say o ye player na obobo a eduruma bia e ma bomu bia no bia that many on available because starting as a defender. But a now good and quality coaches are omutin with youth no. Football mean a grassroots, but you name football begins from the grassroots. Oko Portugal grassroots, Oko Serbia grassroots, Spain everywhere grassroots. But Oko that can say West Africa yes, start here born with Sunday special. Because the players of 24
yeah.
Sancho na continue for coaches like a even sa coaches we or moko University of Leicester ku sunya football akasa sa Castle Castle no ene coach efe no Gary Taylor o moko sunya de akasa ndi coaches na sunya de pa no ko abafuna o mo no ma you team no sina be amatma bodem pa no ene oko under 16 under 17 obiamuso mu say Sancho Solanke they delivered Fika to Mori and then Obutonia play Sabia, Chiwemo, Sao, Munina from that English youth now. Kakaka the PTN 4.5 now a year needs point man talk, you can say a year Sancho, and then could be Dortmund, almost 120 million. Santana Halana walk, Borussia Dortmund say, Omoyo more have a break at the bay turning the equator by fan. Yeah, it's the same. I'm English boys no. Small boys from English don't even want. Mo na person mo ko Saka for. Ibi person o mo ko RB Leipzig, ibi person mo ko Dortmund. Because o ko Bayern na on say things like Bayern Leverkusen, Mönchengladbach na mo ma perform chance. But there are some clubs in one man. This sort of but they are kasi blue we. Kana play ho ka tu kana play the one. Okon man, una they give you chance. And Germany, no, they say, I say, I the grassroots. Germany put the grassroots because English Premier League, they won't start you Sancho. Some are better because they was telling I get a honor. I'm going to tell you something about it. No effort about you be on the bench. Only 4 days later, buy. Then they waiting for Bernardo Silva, Mahrez. Decision of taking a young parent. They say no, person will pay City back. It's not person Obama Manchester. And every day, be 5 good players. And then Mr. Didn't come over. We shall let him home.
Mr. Ancelotti say football grassroots. No, see, they are called German. Now your German, no Christian Pulisic. As you see, Chelsea for talisman. No, as you see, Chelsea for say, or your Hazard, or your Ronaldo, Moutinho. And then Wababa Montene, able play a friend, Timo Werner or Bonabaso. Says I play, obey PM or Chelsea the Bruce, the Scars Bruce of Chelsea, coming to Moutinho, obey PM or Honor. Now good dear old D, and now much of training now, one year. Christian Pulisic says, I play a friend Timo Werner when one boy, papa. It's Yamina Duma next season, obey what Chelsea the Bruce, Ama and Nema Aposu Pan. Now, Mr. Ancelotti, young Paso. You do Chelsea for Australia. You hear transfers. You say Chelsea I transfer. Chelsea was striker. Make an strikers. More Giroud. Samson more Tammy Abraham. As well. You see Chelsea for Papa to Timo Werner. Every RB Lesbian. I get a big pin. Chelsea for Australia. We shall sign in Chelsea for a Kai Havertz. Chelsea for any genetic then. Just play you. Omunian so be more. Stamford Bridge. No be see a climber. Now, Chelsea still na man for believe and answer man for you say. Omutim no upon players almost saying no. Omutim no and yet to Liverpool standard and yet to Manchester United standard. Sounds na yet to Man City standard. Into say right ya ayi ba bonten both ni ba bonten online. Say Tima on meet magic EPL 2020-21 season no. Now Chelsea at the fourth. Liverpool City at the first. Liverpool that second, and Manchester United team no at that third, and Chelsea at that fourth. Now on transfer yini or munyamo make Timo Werner Ziyech and Kai Havertz in the team. He said Kwamati so much defended. Now
Megan say as a coach bia no see a more team. Also national analyze team. Now team no culture and as a philosophy and a tradition.
It's Sassi I would not Namusa say Abraham your friend Frank Lampard, legend for Chelsea the Blues.
Who say
so be Chelsea
he deserves.
Sir.
But the reason they say Lampard Chelsea success in defense. On say Chelsea never Barcelona. Chelsea never Barcelona. Chelsea never Barcelona. The Chelsea never Barcelona say Chelsea every trophy of defense. Even their forwards are the track back.
But I said as a man working, now say football na ankasa no I said eya tenye from tete that time 2010 2012 Mourinho style no ye jibbo na defender boys ntum e wo England no I said Pep Guardiola by England no oyama and oya stand the face of football e wo England Pep Guardiola for Spain ko he the way o ma Barcelona football here okopie mo German Bayer o ma fe the Roma football ibe obepie mo England Man City the way o ma boy ibe I said oyam ye ball no attention from say what's it good defenders ejina what you as oyam ejisa adwene free
say Guardiola is a good coach currently as I'm speaking a good power on the club yes omo rain because match on say I had the same Guardiola or Spain coach Barcelona Spain the World Cup Tinio Lampard or Guardiola Tinio Lampard Guardiola football no obiana ne de obiana de babu o call Germany coach Bayern Munich Germany if you the World Cup or by England or be coach City to semi-finals Lampard even away so now they may say Chelsea fans team me because match am pa say Lampard team is not five one pa one thing is say e ma me e no guys no care ma for place o ye dwuma ma na so wo se dan say one foundation
ababa we ye ma ye ma three for mu say sa ababa ye oboni
on almost personal time
I will Chelsea the Blues
on say tamana Kevin Eminaro e wo na no ma me ne buy na Eminaro top players are omo ye top efficiency players just say be a player of flame ba fu ni no so anything na Chelsea Makelele N'Golo Kante Mikelobi Raul Mores have you seen all these players na Obomodi no because Mores no be or register no one didn't robot midfielder so na offer Mikelobi the same thing Morocco be pack about the league Makalesian and no other meeting can was me Makalele from already buy it took come already corner say where the football now your friend will be Makalele role in the defensive midfield I find number 6 number 6 no Makalele role no so no but you know on say Chelsea as a star
say as in football no so
ya almost football is sound then so we do start football is sound unya the was start football because get them come and o Lampard won but we tell you pa person ko just na mu team Ghana ni best fanya mu team here say o fa coach bia who say players now o do make man the players available the material available no make why say man but them can say pa because o have Chelsea players now now Chelsea need defenders the likes of Debra Juventus taking you know we're good so you go in we see you can say Leicester City also we're good pa I also had the team at all something na me say Chelsea for team ya Tole Rafa Tole or Atlanta and I say bobo or but the whole season with 2 yellow cards because this person in the tackling be behind they are good but Chelsea they are still relying on Fikayo Tomori the midfield defense now me watch you Fikayo Tomori
but
or Rudiger
na Rudiger so I'm not a German we don't make the moment
Germany onye starter at Germany the onye starter at Germany say Germany no tamana eye Joachim Low omukọ Confederation Cup no e na ode second 11 na dey e ko ye eti obi ka just say Rudiger started Germany there be e say all start German football no Germany is not a starter sorry Rudiger is starter with Germany so no say the former the point the former na Rudiger wo mo Roma no nyani bi na ni o ye dey o mu sisi and the chess transition no mu here say their defense also almost searching for what goalkeeper they need what potent goalkeeper or be BAB but across the Arezaba Lega he is very good in defense and other stars also obi ase keeper some why there chess for because say keeper and this was some obi no good because then time now good defense where the mujina on because Chelsea team no omuni register robot defensive midfielder I will 51
but say N'Golo Kante
is there but coach no more that formation o mane more that formation Lampard say Sanya ma Chelsea anything na auto you move on to anything say Chelsea is not Barcelona how is it Chelsea not Barcelona it is say o refer Ndidi players like refer Ndidi Casemiro o me robot midfielders so o me so one the ball defensive midfielder number 6 no but we play with say Jorginho register ko telephone say register omono dia omoje ball no I say Busquets also one repa and a parallel at Valencia one repa captain but omotimi the ball no player like Thiago Motta too na PSG Inter Milan Barcelona no one repa but Chelsea transition moment say also they need good defense
Chelsea
defensive network in the more anyone unless next season no obato Timo Werner obato Havertz obato Ziyech match no about 4-3 against Chelsea because players special 3 Chelsea will concede 4 goals because there's a keeper in the post who cannot communicate to the defenders of Rudiger, Tomori and the likes.
Ntiziani dey make say
this sense on re
omo fifi won ko si o mem won dey
e fifi ko say won dey
by ka tire o
yeah so when you can harvest and fifi man is good but when you so yeah and me tesa Chelsea so as a player FNO Sergio Reguilon from a year Sevilla Madrid Castilla products yes Chelsea needs him even though Chelsea I don't know why a year player for Messi Semedo Barcelona sikana so Chelsea go for Semedo yes they are still lying on Cesar's play because
Semedo I will Barcelona Chelsea for fan
yes
Mr. Ancelotti nyame ya adoma me ma etiefo ne akrefo nyina ente se nyame ya adoma Friday ayetina 8th August 2020 UEFA Champions League playoff no Baso nyame ya adoma Friday 8th August 2020 UEFA Champions League no playoff round 16 no Baso second league ni Baso first league no ansana yare efen COVID-19 and coronavirus no baaye no ebe high yasema ye most suspendi leagues ahodo ebika leagues wo wiase nyina ma Ghana hakole bi kan ye league na empanifo ana FIFA for the ababetu bia se nyame adoma etina Friday and almost started and ye be started abo playoff no second round of matches na ke no na che nyame adoma ebo 7 pm abo Ghana ha Juventus ebetina fie atwen Lyon and the normal ball Samsung at 7 p.m. na ankasa no. The same match me enye bete ewo krom ha Manchester City ebetina Etihad Stadium atwen the Madrid every Spain aba be come ho na sa match we first round no Manchester City the Guardiola ene ne Brante no omo ko share Real Madrid ewo Santiago Bernabeu e kamienu ema Madrid for no etimu baako na ekyanyame adoma na second league no eba so 7 p.m. Ghana time Madrid Manchester City for sha omo ko quarter finals sanso na Madrid so almost beat by omo de no asa akwa UEFA Champions League na etina enegina nyame adoma Saturday matches ni bi beba so 9th August 2020 matches no bi ebeba so na nyame adoma about 7 p.m. Saturday 8th August sorry 8th Barcelona ebetina fi achen Napoli Gattuso ni Brante no Gattuso edin sema ba betubia say Abrante friend Leo Messi the Argentine boy football messiah god of football sa Abrante we were unstoppable untimi stopping no game what ball na player bay in the bit matter Messi ball no free Messi sem we ni sema Gattuso a we mani German Napoli edin tubia ntinyame adoma Napoli and the Barcelona ye behwe first league ni ba so no omo ball 1-1 e wo Napoli for ekrum na Barcelona Camp Nou and the second league ni koso a Barcelona betina fie atwen Napoli na second match no 7 p.m. na so na sa na second match no omo ebe baso na first league no sa ball we me say awre ho ayi di ni promo ha bisi so ayi su ye wre ho ye course amanfo guess from omonfa amanfo muteti omo fon so e wo promo ha no na nya sem petwa Chelsea hiti e ma Chelsea for to ayampia pi wo promo ha say Bayern Munich on be se wo mo ya bo pitiri na first league baby na Chelsea the Blues and that form esu e wo mo nan na nyame adoma Saturday na second league ni beba so Bayern Munich e betina fie aken Chelsea the Blues na Chelsea the Blues first league ni ba so no omo di ncho Bayern e se omo kam yensa a omo antimantim ba kokora na Chelsea for hope say nyame adoma Saturday omo kwa akose ana omo kwa akoto omo kan ayi Bayern Munich free na Chelsea for ansem omo Kenya wora ho seme ogom ni say omo captain fantastic aspiriqueta ontimi si akan ni bi omo Ronaldo mo Christian Pulisic onu so entimi si akan ni bi Ben William eso entimi ensi akan ni bi players p e ka players ni ho a omo ntimi ensi akan ni bi nyame adoma Saturday match against Bayern Munich akoyi simple Chelsea for na ko ayampia say ye dey ya Bayern for ne dey omo de omati ko ebeka for Mr. Ancelotti yambra last foreign news na yenti fie yeke Champions League yeke Madrid omo match no omo ne Manchester City everyone first league ba so 2 Madrid team back on be show mo Santiago Bernabeu Guardiola ne Brante nso mo hiti omo so pese omo je Champions League na fiwe nti nyame adoma Saturday na Friday omo be yi team a ye frɛ no Madrid afri o je ne say
say ye buy Champions League ma obi ni dia Madrid ene Manchester team enso mistake bi na Zidane no Santiago Bernabeu at the 67 minutes na player feno coach e feno Kaoka aka kire sorry coach e feno good la ka kire Kaoka and Benjamin Mendy say hwe na obi anya dey ampone because there is a boy called Vinicius Junior nti Zidane gini game no when Vinicius Junior e wo no he season ya bo ma be the pa because our pace or penetrate so o kati in o so different bia or the one budget or payment na say and I say bia o tima pretty chance na say na jai it is that mistake even after the match plan question na master for Zidane say Zidane I didn't know we Vinicius no say some mistake we only build so because we mutwa na a game against Barcelona pan at Camp Nou ka ko Vinicius aka Madrid entimi nyere mo 0-0 oba ball no wo Santiago Bernabeu ye obo bi no o mo obo timi shego say timi na ji match ni si na betu so ene nyamo cha match na ba so no City is ahead of Real Madrid ewo sisi e ka say currently because omo 2 goals you say omo 2 goals
nti we no yem factor players wa ha
no
we player we ba versus a game because Madrid Zidane say they are player friend Eden Hazard the Belgian man you be see kind of
on say adiam na akoba and say Gadela ba say obesity back all the pa nyam che be game ni bia Gadela all pin game we there was an because he training Guardiola all pin Madrid
master of football
the reason he said Oko Madrid or defend ya from 70th minutes not person open and na bench was free man Kawaka and many team ya kwanya dey ewura ma defense because time na bench so na omuntimi mo money because obo money what is what cha akonfo bia so that na kwanya no it is done so train and me share omo training is done so and say no o say omo jibo na omo Zidane is going all attack Zidane nyamucha eduma obey no all attack yeshena o say yeshena o say yeshena one goal they can score 2
yeshena one goal kra
o make 2
Obo Etihad Stadium no.
Madrid in slow stadium bia. Madrid Turin omo otimi 3. Madrid otimi ko Allianz Arena otimi show omo 4. Parc des Princes otimi ko share omo. Et Madrid in slow stadium bia Europe. Even Etihad o kan say akọ win game mo. That was Roberto Mancini's time. Madrid ko hono e otimi ko share omo. The year 2013. And the game na omo ba go City were upper hand because of the 2 away goals na omo. But Madrid are threats. Madrid are team. Only one on when you move on my way. And the Champions League, so who Champions League now? Ultimately, when you are, I remind you something to Japan. Because per records now. Ultimately, winning. It will go up. So yeah, last time I'm moving here. Juve, I'm going to do a question with Troma. 3-0 Juve question with Troma. Sankwani, I already know good in the day. Home going to see it. It is said the game will be a corner, and I made my chief what he said. Tactical player na mucha kwela like game nusa e trainer oil no o make game nusa o be game ma just say o game team just from 70 minutes going and o be the game the that's why I say o call all attack you feel be say free flowing football PPP pass possess position the that the environment ni mo ne ahma chia me be am hwe you trainer mo easy all attack they go o mo nyina akọ then all defense then they come back. And the boys says that be pardon me na me says that we bought Hazard Benzema Vinicius when you want
Kape
was Hazard no only
Bale or no or experience for Champions League
Madrid don't need Bale
Zidane mo to
listen
the
fact is from the press and the Bale but Zidane and the team don't need Bale
oh man so about more Champions League baby
our boy during our finals our boy pa but they say the ball maybe Edruno me ne make say play bia or dey make start go bia say onya 28 years e kona afi dey na form dey you don't look at Kawaka sorry Theo Walcott but dem kana bobo
nti
e bedu me be
rank for muntie mu player friend James Daniel no and
Danny James o dey wa mark be say by 27 28 years
and not to say by 27 28 years no that player the form no be dey pia
because Americano o na mo so Americano come look at say na here
na say Ronaldo so bobo na Americano dey what
Ronaldo dey no o ko itiri ma the cyclist back cycle uteli pa the year 2012 na Ronaldo ko Madrid no na otwetwe Ronaldo woni twe pa o otwe but o say Messi twe and your other goals and every night Americano on rally bi and say over here then time na Varo Abeliwa Marcelo control mo na fam mo de breno na o the supply ma na o gina mo ba tapi o gina eti Ronaldo change the style o hu say e go do go ko mechanic bi o say style o change no
yeah easy yeah fam no ni no the same Madrid ni City scoreline omo pebet ni be me hu say
scoreline
man boys ni boys no man pontin boys no omo ye hot papa omo twen say u be bie wa no aka say Madrid e be share City
Madrid e be share City oh Etihad
scoreline
it will be either 3-1 3-2
Barcelona Napoli
Barca will qualify
scoreline
Messi will score 2-0
against Napoli.
No, both teams to score.
Both teams to score.
Yes.
But Barca will qualify.
Barca will qualify by a very close margin.
Close margin.
Yes.
Okay. Chelsea Bayern.
Chelsea beat Marco, we know won't qualify. Now who be? In the time because I take one team here, Chelsea beat Marco, win, but not even qualify. But both teams to score. Whether draw, Chelsea win.
And I'm going to
Simon.
Juventus Leon.
Now say Juve form no ade papa. Na me no kwani. Aye coach a friend no. Sorry, maybe we be who say team now is we need creative midfielder. See you can say creative midfielder. A midfielder who penetrate. Baby a kwani no or the pass ne foul kind by baby. Best pretty defense onya bio because omu nyina akọ ye efficiency what midfielders. Omu nya da ho ne bo they don't use the technique no. Anything omo kofa time laban. Because Rabiot now put that technique, you know, and then you only Pjanic mediocre and now Obokakra, averagely, and the chair only the same thing as a year or Digo Bentacore, you go international only. That's not something that I almost pop on answer. Bernadeschi or Bob and the Juve, I come with them, they are defending where they are talking about. Medford is the reason.
It's almost one line there.
Juve will qualify.
Juve will qualify.
Very close margin and Ronaldo will score.
Ronaldo. Rainy and Sema bet for no. Who's the boys no? What's the message in the past? Say, do not bet no. Score line. And now Brandt here friend Ancelotti. And this score line in atutu to Jano. And the amount man who could bet no. But my boys no who message no. Man pointing for no. Boys no. 18 move on no. Who message no. And now. Wizi dia tuja na wizi ye beba fie no ma menka ye tie for say aha ya Asanteman TV Asanteman Sports enya de bro say djuma die we ewo Facebook YouTube IG na Twitter na wo okọ ho no ase wo search engine no wo search Asanteman TV ye djuma die nyina beba no akọ Asanteman Sports o like it na wa share we na wa subscribe bra a ye we me say ye de beba kurumu a ye de aba kurumu a en che kurum ho nyina tension nyina ba ba dwa ba because mbrante na hiti wa papa uti Ancelotti nka so de abra ye wo boys no more as sports na dear o me serious ewo nti ye bompa ese ye beje baton esi ya ba ya tri so ene ye kon ho e de ananti kurum a na ye bebe fie esem no ansa ni bebe fie asem no ye srem a mo ton ade anawa pese ye bo wa dwumadi hu da huruma no number near Kebu screen as no. The boss himself, the man of man, the boss of boss, the star boy, Mr. Quarton, offering a promotion here. Papa, Debbie, and your becan, yes. Mr. Ancelotti, Yembra, your local news, so okay, Yembra, if he's so. What's that? Last week, Monday, no, many a branch here from the Kennedy in Comofire football league. But yes, young the couple of Pony has and once in the hour. Young the coming dear and be beyond one. Dear, you perceive when they say, and Brofono, every kind of football in a giant. Something about Africa, ha, North Africans need teams need to Africa, ha, or more big kind of football in a jacotopo, and yet a cry half of football. Oche Elali, oche TP Mazembe, oche Sankofu ya. Kotoko no mu le si so, kotoko timi tena ha. Na ko divo akim fia bi aba be se kotoko. Egu mani ma se de wi no akomukuro. Am na be yensem pi. Na de tete no be hu de chatera ni jombotemo na nyem bete e wo kurum ha. Wizi, ana Ancelotti. Ye share ye local league na. Ye philosophy anka say we football ni no as compared to Ngofono. And say I ain't me develop.
And the person we educated some coaches and players and the team for meeting. I also about players with players with say obo don with you wa. Maka something. Also omo time na coach league ni adwuma. See Ghana your football your person a your coach league no.
Say coach league no ya yen ti ase no no kire say.
Ya ka say coach na Ponkoma. Yes. Ponkoma mean a horse. And a coach, COLTS, and coach, and I say Ponkoma, our first one for that. We say, and when you go, boss, oh, you have coach, the coach, the command, the material, because you have educated you. Coach, not to say, Ponkoma. And you know, football, answer now. You bet me now, be a Ponko horse. I will say it free the post mofana e ba na e bobo no na wo say tetu mu yie because okọ abofo na nyi ni say ho ni him so na me ye Sancho story no ala ti o on say wo ade bi wo no ye wo ni man me sa football me wo that is formation the field of play or formation philosophy and system abofo no omni tete omonkra no you know that omni tete omonkra but o baga na han my family tete kwa say ye ka say
na Ghana football league no blaster na ne kotokone half ni benya abon this o papa scan tiny bototo this connection no o there be a connection and so wo ye bie no twa ni pa bi ato ko mu a
ba me oba mi team am tete wo ye ka say formation eh kwan ya wo coach no na team no person players in jina how you the coach will arrange the players and how you want the players to arrange themselves on the field. That is 4-3-3, 3-4-3, 3-5-2 any formation. Then you can say philosophy now. And only philosophy is the style of play of a team, particular team. And I say philosophy the team's culture and tradition.
So we should Barcelona when you see a film tiki taka.
That is the philosophy. Tiki taka means pepa in Spanish. So you can say tiki taka pepa. On Ghana, you have food in Agroba.
And what should I say?
Agroba no say Ghana, you go grow. Ghanaian Brazilians.
Me kinda then time near Camp Brazil near
Atlantic. Yes.
The or that lamp more time. Bob Brazil near Bogana near Camp. Then they Bob Ghana near Bomali.
And they add in Ghana, CCS in Japan, Japan scholars.
And then correct.
Japan scholars. See, young can't think of hungry by no buy a baby. Because Yane Sao Tome and Principe one day. Because players we couldn't develop them well. Transition is very critical or paramount important in the world of football. And to born now, you're going to see your system also. System is a tactical instruction given to a player. And the over club, you can say system now, a big club, or high pressing. So one media as any put to move from the Kenyan so and the club our flying wing backs. You can say flying wing backs are Arnold and Robertson. Omu tu papa. Even the whole world they say you can say open full backs omu jane pa yomu. Omu tu pa kawaka jane there. But omu when they are with the ball and goal of the line omu tu papa. Omu say ni na free. Shoot to omu kwa dum sa omu kwa dum. Eti ye youth no ye nim and I say omu sa more bonus. I only say every club be under 8. Under 8, the bonus started from 2 years, 7 years, and all flash of bonus. But you've been to 15 years and Sunny Bobo. Anyway, I did say, white they choose technique over power, but they choose power over technique. Yeah, heavy metal football. The Ghana only have one play no book to call chips. I don't know papa, but no young one. It was one in the way. Place kitty. But through time,
yeah, I want to go cast the command here on Obeko Mali, Obeko Benin, not home for some Marantia now. Almost one not Sassam now working. Okay, more for now. The police when home, yeah, Messi. Ronaldo cried because on the or work a cray or immediate. But and no, sir, you know, or more than the bubble.
More than many say,
you're more than
and Untina also has a Oka Godilas. And tell me Pacosapias and Pa. I was up a coach back on the pepper or Pesafo or Pesaples. For the place are now fair. But Ghana, you pay heavy metal footballers if you play some more thing. But they won't give you results. The secret is Bonino or who's a more dear or maybe more ball. But you play more dig was an hour. Orthodox, you can't orthodox in football.
Sassy with the young can't do skill. Come Boba Funa says,
I'm telling you, Jodia, Tony Cruz. Gerard Piquet, or Munya, Biscuit for a Kabianca or Ghana, Ibianco electra.
Oh,
when you are Piquet, Ibianca or Ghana MP. Because now, but they use the brain, the technique is very paramount in football. I can't all China skills, no, technique, but when you say Ghana. Oko obi Trinidad under 13 no one akọ park one by 5 me catch it tiefo no enye o player no ontimi nyini ye e na be wo na akọ no sha in the coaching sector no they are miniature adults and no simply means they are children. Miniature adult means
children. And okay, the lesson ka ye teams na wo Ghana ha no. Anka ye team bia ye benya lecture bia ye benya teacher ni bia
obi say
onim football na sa na no akyerɛkyerɛ na yes ade a ye ba wo de hwɛ ayi asembia park yi so ye ko park no be 15 ube wi no
meka asembia say Sancho development no there were two coaches behind baako ne fe no Lee Carsley ana baako so ne fe no Len Hardis ana baako so ne fe no Gary Taylor omo nyina ko University of Leicester kusua sports coaching omo ye ne ya mo coach Leicester City and as West Ham senior team but they came down because that's what in here ablo fo mo nyansa o eni to mo bobo ni bi no ana ye de coach e bia early stages no so me say if you give me team you have kwam na omo ba me over me under 13 even under 15 kwam mo nyi training kasi yo enu ntina say de bia na MLS achi na play we nyi no match na but no mo ye say owo 16 years so no yes ye ko bo under 17 but e 18 ni to but under 17 years 16 years nti 16 years boy owo Ghana ha nene ye ni training a obetima na fa ye and I'm say 24 years e wonder 17 no you trending din na man ho din me nsin oni flag ya
yeah
ana Ghana so ale ba ko higher pa me ntiminya good wingers and say akore so no bobo na oye skills a omo so obo live ball but to ka buchira en kwa no me san buja bobo they give the both and they teach skills but Ghana skills the young channel you also akore sa you free be dribbling skills no you Maradona obodi na wo coach no adam so cha na kwa na execute on the foot achiro then you Johan Cruyff or your skill be na on akwana ye war passes na achire no you obi ka bisa dorming etefo you see ye educate mo enye dorming in football a step overs you one step over and Ronaldo tie na kan dorming enye dorming you show how to play a banana pass odu ha say bobo na in step out step sana ba we nyina no o say Ghanaian footballers
chairman this is how you ye be dan mu ba ko ho ye be ye betna local news nyenkwa and ye nkrumwa na ye de sansem number because ye Ghana league no and ye Ghana football no kofom center mo bet Ghana Brazil ye ni German ko ekusia no me job and ye ni German ko sia de asembia team ni ifo ekusia wizi na for no sina ye denko
enti Solomon Taro okay any hunu na coast Jonathan Mensah boy tech Rabbi Muhammad kono bodu mase but ene no ni bi se enkwa na bobo na edu na 17 anu nyina ahwete ye mo biom na e fa batasa mala ko for different players but chef France kwa mfa so je on tournament the year 2015 Paul Pogba Samuel Umtiti Rafa Varane Afonso Areola Lucas Hernandez and the likes omo na sabe mo biru finance omo na sako bo World Cup finance omo je but the make Ghana for Umtiti yo so tiase ba bon ya trans ya tene fie rudi ache e kwan fa so ye be ya bon ni ye no but ene hwetoku ene Idris mu a omko bo ene Ibrahim ne yimo omko bo na 17 ba na so obi ahwetewete ye fa na to that will be a different place and the bia no e be very different enko so and the football e pese ko ya e me ni mra grassroots
yes
na onhua de no ma even coach sa omo e good motima training kwa ni ye no munya se store na Premier League na because asena nye ya sunu nye ye wusu dan se foundation nya so no bu enter the bia Ghana born ye buy do so na bu because foundation no because me tamana me bobo me was am bis under 14 under 17 boka kra eti bon no me se me su technique me bia me bobo mo dey pisa ba nya sa no ba Ghana no o mo mpe o mo ka se mo bobo
yeah
but ye say na ye tin ko sua abo mo de kakra no ye de be boa enkra amo ma ye dey aye good
yes ye de be boa enkra no amo ma ye good Mr. Ancelotti we see Abrante we the ball no mu de enya sem keto aha enya di dwumadie ni nyina ebesi na me sankai etiefo se mini Mr. Ancelotti ena tena ase ene day e de the world of football e de be som no mesre wa high Asanteman TV Asanteman Sports ena wo hwe e wo Facebook e wo YouTube e wo IG ena sa wo Twitter okwo a wo search engine ho no obo pa no bo Asanteman TV ye dwumadie nyina e beba mo e pa cha wo wie a wo subscribe no like it na wa share no review comment no e betina sia e bekenkan ni nyina e de amount na wa pese yɛbɔ wade tɔn ana wɔdwumadie ho bi ɛda kuroma ho frɛ number na etwa go screen ase no ofra the boss ɔbɛpeke Mr. Kwartin the star boy no one wodi nkɔmɔ yɛyɛ promotion ɛwɔ ha mesrɛw kan yɛ ho na edwumadie a yɛdi nyinaa bɔ yɛ akyi na taa yɛ akyi na deɛ ɛbɛyɛ bia ɛnkɔ so covid-19 ɛwɔ hɔ hwɛ wo ho so yie wo nose mask sanitizer mesrɛw hwɛ so yie paa wokɔ baabi a no ɛnka ho nyame yɛ adom a Monday ɛsa ba abɛtena ase ɛde agodie no mu nyinaa deɛ ɛka yɛ no nyinaa ɛde aba abɛso no yɛfrɛ me sɛ Cantona wote Mr. Ancelotti nka manager producer ordinaire the star boy Mr. Kwartin ɔne hyehyɛ dwumadie no nyinaa ɛna ne the man for the day Raymond abrante we bisi da bi ne yɛbɛka asɛm ɔbɔ ne ho mmɔden paa ɔne ne gyina camera no nyinaa akyi lighting system no nyinaa ɔne yɛ biribi a ɛma yɛde dwumadie ɛbrɛ wo makraw bye bye